welcome to another little video in our series which guides you through setting up a successful WordPress website and building your online presence. This video will be the ultimate guide to setting up Mailchimp on WordPress. In this video, you're going to learn why your website absolutely needs an email list, how to set up email lists with Mailchimp, how to add email subscribe boxes on your WordPress website that actually work, how to set up autoresponder messages and what an autoresponder is, and some awesome tips to start getting your first email subscribers. You might have come across on some pages a pop-up which asks you to enter your email address to subscribe to a newsletter or for something free in return. All of these little boxes gather email addresses so you can deliver awesomeness to everyone even while you're sleeping. Creating an email subscriber list is one of the first things you should do to grow your website and online presence, even when you have zero traffic. I wanted to make this step-by-step guide for you so I can hold you by the hand and walk you through setting up your first newsletter, email opt-in, and give you some awesome tips on how to get people to subscribe. Let's jump straight in and get started. We're going to be using Mailchimp because it's super simple to use and has a completely free option. There is an option to pay for it monthly, which will give you more options, but for now the free version is great. Mailchimp is feature-rich, such as using your blog's RSS feed to send emails, which makes it really easy to automatically have your newest blog posts sent out to your email list. You've got subscriber profiles, so you can get insights about your subscribers and keep in contact in one place. Mailchimp is automated. It helps you email the right people at the right time. This is based on customer behavior and preferences, as well as time zone. Mailchimp also recommends the best time to send emails within 24 hours of your selected delivery date, determined by your specific list's engagement data. Mailchimp has flexible design options for teams of all sizes. You can collaborate on campaigns that fit your brand using Mailchimp's email designer. Mailchimp's templates and forms are responsive, so they work on any device. Mailchimp is always working for you 24/7. Let's learn how to set it up. Head over to mailchimp.com and the first thing you want to do is sign up for your free Mailchimp account. Click on sign up for free here. Enter your email, username and password, and if you agree to the terms and conditions, just click on create my account. You've just been sent a confirmation email, so let's go and confirm that now so everything coming up works perfectly. So find the email and click the button, and we then just need to fill in a few more details to finish setting up your account. Enter your name again and your address or a PO box. This is the address which is shown on the bottom of emails you send. Once that's all filled out, click on save and get started, and you'll be on the dashboard. To create your first list, just click on create a list and you're taken to this page to fill in some information about your list. So give it a name, the default from email you want to use, and the default from name, and a little message for people to remind them how they got on your list. Tick any notifications you'd like to receive about this list. I recommend not having an email every time someone subscribes or unsubscribes, as you can receive hundreds of emails. Just use your phone and the app, or have a daily summary instead. Fantastic, you've now got your first list, but it looks emptier than a gym in October, so now it's time to learn how to set up autoresponder and welcome messages, and get an email opt-in form on your website. How to add an email subscribe box to your WordPress website. I'm going to show you one of our favourite plugins we use which integrates with Mailchimp perfectly, that creates the perfect email opt-in box for your website. I'm talking about SumoMe List Builder. List Builder converts one-time visitors into lifelong readers and email subscribers. Because you work hard on your website, List Builder Lightbox makes sure they subscribe to your email list and come back for more. It catches their attention right before they leave, asking for their email address in return for a great offer. It's fully customizable and easy to set up. I'll quickly guide you through getting this installed on your WordPress website and then link it to our Mailchimp to collect our email opt-ins. So to do this, make sure you're on your dashboard for your website. We're going to install the SumoMe plugin and then install List Builder. SumoMe has quite a few apps, and I've made videos on them all if you're interested in learning about the others. So head to Plugins and Add New and search for SumoMe. Click on Install and then Activate. Now you'll see you have a new box on the top right which you need to click and register with SumoMe, so do that now. When you're done, hover over the box again and click on the crown and SumoMe Store. We're looking for List Builder. As I said, SumoMe has created some awesome apps to use to leverage your website. List Builder is just one of them. Here it is. Now click on List Builder and Free, and it's installed. Now click on the crown again and click on List Builder. You've got a toolbar on the left here with all the sections. We're here to link Mailchimp to List Builder and our opt-in form so we can start collecting emails from our visitors. So click on Services, and this brings up all the services that integrate with List Builder. Mailchimp is at the top, so let's click on that. And it connects in just a couple of clicks. Click on Connect, enter your details, and sign in, and you're all connected. List Builder will now work with Mailchimp, and when someone submits their email to your opt-in form that we will be creating in a moment, it will be added to the list in Mailchimp, so you are always in communication with your visitors. So now we want to create a lightbox or opt-in form, so we can start collecting our visitors' email addresses, and all we do is click on Design, and this page lets us customize our opt-in form. So we can write a title and main text here, change colors, the size of the form, and edit the success message after someone enters their email. You can see how your changes look straight away on the right as you do them, and you've also got templates here which have forms you can pay to use, and these look good, so if you want to do that you can, but the free default form works great. When you're done, click on Save. Now click on Behavior and we'll have a quick look at the settings for the form. Here you can choose when you want your form to show up, and if you use the Smart feature, List Builder knows when your visitors are about to leave and the form shows up. There are lots of options here to play around with. Check out your website and have a look at your new List Builder. I've got mine to show up just as someone is about to leave. Here it is. This looks great. Now we've set up our lightbox and linked it to our Mailchimp, all we need to do now is set up a welcome message and autoresponders. So let's do that now. So what is an autoresponder? It's a message that's been set up to be sent automatically when you sign up to an email list, for example. Have you ever received those emails straight after signing up for something? That is an autoresponder. Autoresponders make it so that you don't have to manually send out emails to each subscriber that joins your list. You just set everything up and let it run. Autoresponders are only sent when specific actions happen. For instance, you might set up a series of autoresponders to go out in a sequence. You send message number 1 and then set up message number 2 to be sent out only after the subscriber has opened message number 1. Or you can set it up to send X number of days after a subscriber joins your list. There's a lot of possibilities, but that goes beyond the scope of this video. Here's how a standard email sign-up process works. Bob enters email to opt-in box. He then receives email asking to confirm his subscription. This is called a double opt-in. After he confirms his subscription, he's taken to a thank you page. Now let's walk through the process of setting these forms up. I'm going to set up an opt-in confirmation email, but the process is the same for other forms. Back in Mailchimp, you're going to go to List, the list you just made, Sign Up Forms, and General Forms. Then click on the drop-down button to choose the opt-in confirmation email. This is the email that a person gets immediately after filling in the subscribe box. It's basically a way of saying, hey, you just signed up to get emails from me. Technically, double opt-ins are optional, but it helps keep your number of unsubscribers down because the person is confirming that they actually meant to sign up for your list. The message that you put on your opt-in confirmation email will depend on what you offered to originally get them to sign up. Once you've filled that out, click on the drop down again and choose Confirmation Thank You page. The Confirmation Thank You page is where people go after they click on Yes, subscribe me to this list. Your Confirmation Thank You page should be the page where people can get whatever it is you're giving away. So in my opt-in form, I was giving away a free cheat sheet, so I would link a page for my visitors to download that. I could also send the cheat sheet directly to their inbox. Building a campaign. Now we've set up our list and an email subscribe box. The next part of email marketing is crafting the email message itself. There are lots of names for your email. Mass email, newsletter, e-blast, e-zine, but Mailchimp calls each email message a campaign. Let's have a quick look at how to create a campaign and start sending email messages to your subscribers. So from the Mailchimp dashboard, click on Create a Campaign and it takes you through a few steps to setting up your campaign. Here you choose which list of subscribers you want to send the campaign to, so I'll choose the list I created earlier for this example, then click on Next here. Then you fill in some information on the campaign, such as its name, email subject, from name, from email address, as well as lots more options such as tracking and social media, which lets you connect to different tracking such as Google Analytics and use Twitter and Facebook with your campaign. Next, choose a template to use for your email. You have a choice from all kinds of sizes and different looks. Now you get to customize how it looks. Click Next. This is where you can get creative. On the right, you have lots of different elements you can add to your campaign, such as text, image, group of images, social share buttons, image with a caption, and all you do is drag it over to your campaign to where you want it to go. Easy. Now you can edit it by clicking it, and the editing window comes up. So if I want to add an image, I click and drag it over, click on Browse and Upload. Choose the image I want to use, and it's uploaded. Click on Design and you have even more options to customize the look and feel of your campaign, such as its background color, text color, font, and lots more. Click Save here when done. You have so many options to make your campaign unique and engaging to your subscribers. The possibilities are limitless. When you're done, click on Next. Now you can send your campaign to your subscribers or schedule it for a date and time you want it to be sent. Using Mailchimp can be a powerful way to leverage your WordPress website. It's also easy and intuitive to use. How to get your first email subscribers. First and foremost, you have to give people a reason to join your email list. Subscribe to my latest blog posts just doesn't cut it anymore. Tell people what they're going to get out of joining your email list. Whether you're giving away a free guide, a discount code, a workshop, or a free consultation, you have to give your audience some type of value to make it worth their while. My suggestion is to create some type of a free guide. Guides are great because they're not difficult to make, especially with a nifty little tool that I will link at the end of this video for you. It's called Canva and I definitely suggest you have a look. You now have everything you need to set up your email list, put that bad boy on your website and start getting email subscribers and building your email list. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a quick like and even share it. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment. Coming up is Canva. Thank you and see you in the next video.